Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix iPhone Air speaker low sound on iPhone iPad issue solved. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, open your setting, scroll it down. Now tap on accessibility. Now tap on touch, scroll down. Tap on call audio routing. Tap on automatic, and after this go back, scroll down, tap on hearing eye, turn on, and after this go back, tap on audio whistle, tap on turn off mono audio, and after this go back. Now tap on general, tap on software update, and update your iPhone to get iOS version. And after this go back, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, and tap on reset all settings. Enter your passcode, and after doing reset and reset all settings, after this go back. Now tap on Bluetooth and turn off Bluetooth, and after this go back to fix. After doing all steps, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.